Welcome to BT Industrial, a 100% black-owned industrial solutions company, constantly improving the bottom line with the latest technological and process innovations. With various unique technologies from collaboration with top institutions, BT Industrial has professional services in the SADC region, specialized procurement offices in Hong Kong, and manufactures its jacks in Louisiana, USA. Our latest solution allows plants to maximize hours of operation whilst performing critical inspection and maintenance of corroded carbon steel pipes. Corrosion at pipe supports, also known as caps, is statistically the major cause of external piping corrosion failure. The vast majority of plants use carbon steel pipes. Plants are built with steel frame structures which require metal I-beams for pipe supports. All conventional support types create one common problem. Crevices form. Water is trapped in these crevices. The protective paint eventually fails. Corrosion starts to set in and cannot be halted. It is difficult to inspect and maintain these pipes, which usually leads to the spread of the corrosion. In typical situations faced by the facility managers, complete pipelines and even entire plants need to be shut down in order to perform the required maintenance. Apart from costly downtime, additional equipment costs such as cranes and hoists and additional manpower need to be taken into account. In an environment of increased pressure on margins, plant operators have to make their decisions very carefully in order to preserve profitability. The BT Industrial Pipe Jacking approach allows plant operators to perform key inspection and maintenance on pipes without the need for complete shutdown or the costly use of large cranes. All of this can be achieved whilst managing the associated risks. So, what do? We test pipe integrity utilizing non-destructive testing methods. Key pipelines may require a shutdown, but the downtime can be controlled and minimized. We develop a pipe deflection profile for each pipe, which is identified for jacking. Different monitoring technologies are employed to effectively monitor potentially high-risk pipes. This ensures deflection occurs without creating unexpected localized buckling at the corroded points. Pipes are jacked from the I-beams using the BT Pipe Jack, powered by Bobby Jack, which has been adapted for African conditions by our team of expert engineers. This jacking allows for the space required for inspection and adequate maintenance. New corrosion preventing supports are installed. Central to our solution is the BT Industrial Pipe Jack, engineered by US-based Bobby Jack. This jack is tried and tested in international markets like the US, Middle East, Europe, and now BT is bringing this technology to Africa. The BT Jack is an industrial lifting device engineered to raise pipes and pipe rack systems to allow for inspection, painting, or other maintenance activities. Designed for one-man operation, the BT Jack reduces costs, saves man-hours, alleviates scheduling conflicts, and provides a safer solution than conventional methods, such as use of a crane with rigger and operator, or the use of chain falls. The BT Jack can be installed in less than 2 minutes. The heaviest component of the BT Jack weighs just 20 kilograms. A support arm is placed on either side of the pipe to be raised, and the length of the pivoting brace is adjusted to fit the support beam on which the pipe rests. Box shims are used when the flange thickness of the support beam is less than 40 millimeters. The shims are not needed for beams with flange thickness of greater than 12.5 millimeters. The lift cradle with vertical risers is then hung by centering it in the vertical slots of the support arms. With the cradle and the riser in place, the jack is positioned on the floor of the cradle and secured with the jack retention pin. Depending on the size of the pipe being lifted, one of two lifting V's is inserted in the slot provided at the top of the riser and is secured with a retention pin. The hydraulic jack handle is then used to raise the jack piston until the V comes into contact with the pipe. After ensuring proper alignment, the pipe is raised to the desired height. At this point, the holes in the cradle guide sleeves are aligned with the matching holes in the riser pipes. Two high-strength pins are then inserted through the guide sleeves and riser pipes. The holes are positioned to provide between 25 and 140 millimeters of clearance between the pipe and the support beam. This fail-safe feature ensures that the elevated pipe will remain in position independently of the hydraulic. The standard version of the BT Jack can be used to lift pipes up to 750 millimeters in diameter and can fit virtually any beam size commonly used in elevated pipe racks. Custom versions can be manufactured to specification. The BT Jack was engineered by a licensed professional engineer. Each unit is load tested and certified to withstand an imposed load of greater than 5.5 tons. Product safety and quality workmanship are inherent qualities of each BT Jack manufactured. BT Industrial, for your tailor-made inspection and maintenance solution. Local and international industries currently using this technology. Reach BT Industrial on the contact details below.